The Samsung Galaxy Fold event cancelled in China? Let's discuss it after my intro. Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla. I'm back with another quick video. A little bit of a discussion, it's breaking news I'm hearing all over the internet at the moment. Samsung has cancelled their Chinese Galaxy Fold event. I'm also hearing that Samsung are delaying training employees with regards to the Galaxy Fold. Now, this could mean potentially several different things. First, number one, Samsung have found a major issue with the Galaxy Fold and they have to delay launching it. Now, a delayed event, delayed training doesn't necessarily mean a delayed launch of a product, but it is a strong possibility at this stage. I hope they do not delay it. Well, I hope they don't cancel the product. If there is an issue, Samsung will do the responsible thing. They'll pull it before launch, they'll repair the issue and remanufacture it. I'm hoping there isn't anything majorly wrong. It could just be there's an issue with the actual manufacturing line as opposed to the design, because Samsung have developed this design over a long period of time. And of course, someone like Samsung, they're going to have tested their own design rigorously. So I don't think it's a design issue. If there is an issue, I think it's potentially more an issue with the actual manufacturing line or an issue with certain components being used. That's always been my biggest concern, is the screen and the hinge mechanism. Not so much the hinge mechanism itself, but more the gap between the hinge and the middle of that screen, where dust and debris can get in there. Because I've got an engineering background, so I look at things in a logical fashion. What else could this delay mean? This could just be simply, in China, it could be as simple as having to meet certain regulations with the Chinese government before they can launch a product there. Maybe, it could, like in Europe, we have the special stamp of approval by the EU before a company can sell their products here, electronic products. Maybe it's as simple as that. I hope it's nothing major, as I said. I hope it's nothing major. I mean, what do you guys think? Do you think they're going to delay the launch globally? Do you think they found an issue? Because all I'm hearing is these things, that the event's been cancelled, there's a delay in training employees, but I'm not hearing the reason behind it, which is a concern. It is a product I'm really looking forward to, but it is a product at the same time I have my concerns about. Another concern I have is the protector that goes on the actual foldable screen. It's plastic. What does plastic do? Thin plastic like that, it will stretch, it will contract. It will stretch, it will contract. So as you've got the fold closed like that, it's contracting, it's bending it. When you open it like that, by the laws of physics, it's going to stretch the screen protector out as well. When you stretch plastic, it will bend and flex a certain amount of times. But then is that causing the screen protector to start lifting around the edges, the corners? I don't know. But it is a potential there for that to happen. So what do you guys think? Do you think there's a major issue with the Fold? Are you upset if Samsung do delay the product? I'm not. I'd rather they delay it, if that is the reason, and bring it out when it's ready. It is a Gen 1 product. A lot of people give it a pass because it's Gen 1 product. I wouldn't say I'd give it a pass, but someone's got to dip their toe in the water first. Someone has to do it. And those of you who want to pay that sort of money for a Fold, you're the guys who I respect the most. You know why? You ain't scared to take that chance. You ain't skeptical necessarily. You ain't afraid to try something new. End of the day, nothing like this has been released from a global perspective. I'm not talking about Flex Pi Royale. That's not even in the same league. I would like to try and get hold of a Galaxy Fold at some point and try it out myself, because it does look like an amazing device. I've tried the Mate X. I love that phone. Really like the concept behind it. I would like to try Samsung's one, on a day-to-day basis and see what I think of it. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a quick one. Just shoved the camera up, quickly shot it. Let me know what you think. Let's have a nice, sensible conversation in the comments below. No fighting with each other. Let's talk about it. I'm interested in what you guys think. I'm interested in your opinions. Hit that subscribe button, smash the bell notification icon too. Share the video on all your social media. And until next time, this is TechZilla saying take care and peace.